Flamingo Books. Enjoy with Mathematics. Chapter 5. Operations on Rational Numbers.
What is operations on rational numbers? Operational value refers to how different operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division work on rational numbers. Operational values on rational numbers: 1. Addition, 2. Subtraction, 3. Multiplication, 4. Division. A rational number is any number that can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, and q is not equal to 0. Rational numbers are closed under all operations, except division by 0. Every rational number has an additive inverse and, if not 0, a multiplicative inverse. Operations follow algebraic rules like distributive, commutative, and associative, depending on the operation. What is addition of rational numbers? The sum of two integers is an integer. Similarly, when two rational numbers are added, the result is a rational number. Step 1. First express each rational number with positive denominator. Step 2. If the denominators of both the rational numbers are the same, add their numerators and divide by the common denominator. Step 3. If the denominators of both the rational numbers are different, then we express them as equivalent rational numbers with the same denominator. Example: 4 by 7 and 1 by 7. 4 by 7 plus 1 by 7 is equal to 4 plus 1 by 7 is equal to 5 by 7. Next, minus 3 by 7 and 2 by 7. Minus 3 plus 2 by 7 is equal to minus 1 by 7. 5 by 12 and 3 by 8. 5 by 12 plus 3 by 8. Clearly, denominators of the given numbers are positive. LCM of denominators 12 and 8 is 24. Now, we express 5 by 12 and 3 by 8 into forms in which both of them have the same denominator 24. 5 by 12 is equal to 5 times 2 by 12 times 2 equals 10 by 24. 3 by 8 is equal to 3 times 3 by 8 times 3 equals 9 by 24. 5 by 12 plus 3 backslash 8 is equal to 10 by 24 plus 9 by 24. 10 plus 9 by 24 is equal to 19 by 24. Final answer, 19 by 24. Negative of a rational numbers. Negative or additive inverse of a rational number is a rational number which when added to the given rational number gives 0. Note, if p by q and r by s are two rational numbers and p by q plus r by s is equal to 0, then p by q is called the additive inverse or negative of r by s and vice versa. Example: additive inverse or negative of 2 by 5 is minus 2 by 5. Additive inverse or negative of minus 2 by 3 is 2 by 5. Additive inverse of 0 is 0 because 0 plus 0 equals 0. Now, we can say that if minus p by q is the negative of p by q, then p by q is also the negative of minus p by q. Subtraction of rational numbers. We have already learned that subtraction is the inverse process of addition. Example, in subtraction we add the additive inverse of the number. Same applies to rational numbers. If P by Q and C by D are two rational numbers, then subtracting C by D from A by B means adding additive inverse, negative, of C by D to A by B. The subtraction of C by D from A by B is written as A by B minus C by D. A by B minus C by D is equal to A by B plus minus C by D. Additive inverse of C by D is minus C by D. Example, subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. The additive inverse of 3 by 4 is minus 3 by 4. 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 5 by 6 plus minus 3 by 4 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 6 multiplied by 2 plus minus 3 multiplied 3 divided by 4 multiplied 3. 10 by 12 plus minus 9 by 12 is equal to 10 plus minus 9 by 12 is equal to 1 by 12. Final answer is equal to 1 by 12. What is multiplication of rational numbers? In earlier classes, we have learnt how to multiply two fractions. The product of two given fractions is a fraction whose numerator is the product of the numerators of the given fractions and whose denominator is the product of the denominators of the given fractions. In other words, products of two fractions, product of their numerators, product of their denominators. If A by B and C by D are any two rational numbers, then A by B multiplied by C by D is equal to A multiply C by B multiply D. Example, 3 by 4 by 5 by 7. 3 by 4 multiply 5 by 7 is equal to 3 multiply 5 by 4 multiply 7 is equal to 15 by 28. Final answer is 15 by 28. Minus 5 by 9 by 4. Minus 5 by 9 multiply 4 is equal to minus 5 by 9 multiply 4 by 1 is equal to minus 5 multiply 4 by 9 multiply 1 minus 20 by 9. Final answer is minus 20 by 9. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a rational number. If P by Q and R by S are two rational numbers, such that P by Q multiply R by S is equal to 1, then P by Q is called the reciprocal of R by S and vice versa. Reciprocal is also known as multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal of a rational number is denoted as P by Q minus 1. P by Q power minus 1 power plus power minus 1. Q by P power 1. P by Q. Note: there is no rational number which when multiplied by 0 gives 1. So 0 has no reciprocal. 2. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 and reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. Example, 7. 7 is 1 by 7. 7 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 7. Final answer is 1 by 7. Next, minus 11. Minus 11 is 1 by minus 11. Minus 11 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 11. Final answer is minus 1 by 11. What is division of rational numbers? In earlier classes, we have learned how to divide a fraction by another fraction. Division of fractions is the inverse of multiplication. In case of rational numbers also, division is the inverse of multiplication. Division. If x and y are two rational numbers such that y is not equal to 0, then the result of dividing x by y is the rational number obtained on multiplying x by the reciprocal of y. When x is divided by y, we write x divided by y. Thus, x divided by y is equal to x multiplied by 1 by y. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers such that c by d is not equal to 0, then a by b divided by c by d is equal to a by b multiply c by d minus 1. A by b multiply d by c. Dividend, the number being divided. Divisor, the number you divide by. Quotient, the result of division. Alongside this core idea, division of a by b is equivalent to multiplying a by the reciprocal of b. Example: 3 by 5 by 4 by 25. 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 25 is equal to 3 by 5 multiply 25 by 4. 3 multiply 25 by 5 multiply 4. 3 multiply 5 by 1 multiply 4 is equal to 15 by 4.